Hello, welcome to this new video on 6 secrets for quick money manifestation. Manifesting money is all about the energy that you bring to the experience. The more playful and open you can be with the universe, the more likely it is that your vibration is buzzing at an excellent frequency to welcome in the cash. However, when you manifest money from a frequency of lack or desperation, it can backfire and block the flow of abundance faster than flushing something down the toilet. But what if you desire to manifest money quickly? Can you? Of course, yes, you can. How do you choose to feel inspired over being fearful? How do you rise above desperation when you are running out of moolah? The energy we bring to money can be a sore spot for many people, which is why it's so important to be playful with the process, playful with the universe, with your creator. Trust me, I've been there before. I have also been broke before, just like a few notes in my wallet and not knowing what to do next. They were some of my lowest points. I remember walking down the streets wondering how the hell I would make it to even the coming weekend. The pain of being broke was so embarrassing that I struck a deal with the universe that I would never ever allow myself to go back there again. But I did go there again, several times in fact. However, with each time it became less difficult and more manageable because the experience helped me build my strength, my resilience, and my ability to deal with uncertainty. I now look back on these times as such a beautiful blessing because I am fully conscious of where I grew from. That place of being desperately broke and afraid of the future to being financially free and trusting the entire process of manifestation. It has helped me to fully appreciate the abundance in all forms that I have created in my own life today. So, with that in mind, I'd love to share my 6 top secrets to manifesting money. Tip number 1 or secret number 1, set your intention. Take time to get really clear on the amount that you are requesting from the universe and also the time that it will take for you to receive it. The universe loves specificity. If you are not clear on what you want to attract, then you will be manifesting by default, and all sorts of nasty surprises can appear when you don't pay attention to the conscious awareness. This comes down to the power of intent. When you put your energy behind having a clear vision of what you want in life, you intentionally create a flow of abundance. Secret number 2. Imprint your subconscious with the field of energy. This powerful practice will help get you into the feeling space to welcome prosperity. Surround yourself with the energy of abundance and ultimately feel worthy of it. There are many ways that you can do this. Here are a few suggestions that have personally worked for me. Dress up in your best clothes. It gives you a good feeling of confidence. Having daily gratitude practice to be thankful for what you do have right now. Then repeat mantras and affirmations that help to rewire your feelings about money. Try them. Now, secret number 3. Feel as if your money has already been manifested. You must see yourself as if the abundance has already been manifested. You must give thanks for your prosperity despite the physical reality of what you are being presented with. This is the ultimate key to unlocking your desires from the etheric realm. A great way to do this is to practice creative visualization or a manifesting meditation that can help you evoke the feeling of having, not craving, of having wealth. Secret number 4, send loving energy to the flow of money in and out. Remember, paychecks make you happy, yes, while bills make you put on your cranky pants with annoyance and anxiety. That's bad. You need to rewire this mindset in order to get out of your own way. Each time you feel pissed off when a bill gets sent to you, then you actively choose to block the flow of abundance and you are inviting more bills and more expenses. Nothing is as expensive as an attitude that blocks the flow of prosperity. Learn to love your money. After all, it's just energy. Secret number 5. Show reverence and respect for the money you have now. Make sure you show your money how much you love it by taking care of it, however little or tiny it is. What does your wallet or purse currently look like? Are there receipts stuffed in there? Throw them away. What do you think your purse or wallet says about your abundance mindset? Just imagine your wallet can talk. The best way to show profound gratitude and reverence for the energy of your current abundance is to ensure that all your bills are sitting all neatly in your purse or wallet, well organized. Create a sanctuary for it to feel safe and loved. Secret number 6. Take one day at a time. This was the most powerful and loving piece of advice I learned from a master when I was on the brink of going bankrupt a few years back. He told me, just be gentle on myself and take one day at a time. This helped tremendously to keep me focused on my power in the present moment and not sabotage my vibration with overwhelm by thinking about the uncertainty of my financial future. This is an imperative factor to energy management throughout the manifesting process. So try these 6 secrets. I'm sure you will begin manifesting money as and when you require. If you like this video, please share the video with your circles. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click the bell icon so that you get notified of future updates. And I would love to hear from you. Please drop in a few comments down below this video. Thank you very much. See you soon.